Welcome back guys to AvZoom. Please watch till end and subscribe to channel. Easy LeetCode problem I choose is 2 sum. Basically we have given a target, need to find 2 numbers whose sum is equal to target. Problem is easy because it says there is only one solution exist, which makes it linear. I gave this problem to ChatGPT and it gave 5-line answer in Python. Let's copy solution and paste in LeetCode. I pressed submit, waiting. Voila, it gave right answer. We can clearly say that it can solve easy LeetCode problems. Hard problem I choose here is given 2 sorted array. Can we find median of combined array and log complexity? I am surprised that it's exactly using same method names as LeetCode. It means leetcodesolution or some similar repository has been used for GPT training. It's using binary search, which is correct solution. Let's wait for GPT to finish generating answer. This is really a long solution but looks correct. Let's paste and submit. Oh, I missed indentations. Let me correct them and resubmit. Oh, I see answers are a bit off, not by much, maybe missing some roundup technicality. But it's not acceptable, so we cannot rely on GPT yet. But let's not conclude, try some more problems here. To lower down difficulty, this zigzag problem, take a string and arrange it in zigzag fashion. Challenge is to return result when pattern is read line by line. This problem is medium level and involves some basic conditions. I'm expecting ChatGPT to generate a short solution. Let's copy the solution and paste in LeetCode. I shouldn't forget to indent this time. Indentation done, let's submit. Awesome, solution is accepted. Chat is back. Let's give a last try with another hard problem. The problem I choose is given an array which is unsorted but contain numbers between 1 and length of array. Return missing positive number. The condition that makes it a bit tricky is we have to solve in linear time, but since numbers are defined in a certain range also makes it a bit easy. I will not say this problem is really hard, but let's see if ChatGPT can solve this. This is really short solution. Let's try chat solution in LeetCode. Indentation done, let's submit. Usually this takes time to evaluate. No surprise, solution is accepted. ChatGPT has done really tremendous job. It uses probabilistic language model to predict next word using neural net trained on diffusion architecture. This approach is very close to our brain. I have no doubt ChatGPT will be doing awesome job in future. Only thing we need is to train it with your use case dataset. Thanks for watching.